So during the consultation, I'm always asked whether hair transplantation affects your brain and whether it can be dangerous to your brain. So no. During the hair transplant surgery, we inject the numbing in the solution only in the superficial layers of your skin, and beneath the skin you have fat, you have muscle, you have the scalp, you have the bone, and then you have the CSF, and then that is, and after that you have the brain. It's a long way. So your brain is way too deep, and whatever we're injecting is nowhere near your brain. Also, the implantation that takes place is also again in the superficial layers of your skin, and there is no such connection between your upper layers of your skin as well as your brain. So rest assured, it's a very safe surgery. It's a surgery of skill, and it's a surgery of people who've got that eye for your for creating a very perfect hairline, which looks very natural, and that's all about it. For more information regarding hair transplantation, you may come down to Indian Skin and Consult experts. We do have free consultations if you want to find out the number of grafts that you might be requiring and a possible amount that you will be, you will be investing in your hair transplant. Do come by for a free counseling session.